Namaskar, I'm Gunjan Bidani and you're watching SciTech, a show where we unravel the science behind everything. Do you know why eggs are differently colored? And are you also under the impression that brown eggs have more nutrients than white eggs? If the answer is yes, then this video is made for you. Watch this report to know how dust color in eggs really makes the difference.
Many people have different choices when it comes to egg color. Some people believe that brown eggs are healthier or more natural, while others feel that white eggs are cleaner or taste better. But is there any significant difference between brown eggs and white eggs? Chicken eggs can come in different colors, and the egg color depends on the breed of the chicken. White Leghorn chicken lay white-shelled eggs, while Plymouth Rocks and Rhode Island Reds lay brown-shelled eggs. Some breed of chicken even lay blue or blue-green eggs. The different eggshell colors come from different pigments in hens. The main pigment responsible for brown eggshells is called protoporphyrin 9, and the pigment found in blue eggshells is called biliverdin. In contrast, the hens which produce white color eggs lack these pigments. A lot of people consider that brown eggs have higher nutrients than white eggs. However, this is not true. All eggs are nutritionally very similar, irrespective of size or color. The price difference is only because they need to feed more to Rhode Islands or Plymouth Rocks, which makes them more expensive. Both white and brown eggs are healthy foods. A typical egg contains lots of proteins, minerals, and vitamins, and all in less than 80 calories. However, scientists have compared brown eggs with white egg shells to see if there is any difference. Several studies have found that shell color has no significant effect on egg quality. This means that the color of an egg's shell doesn't have much to do with nutrients. The difference is only because of the pigment in the hen. But other elements can affect the nutrients of an egg, like the hen's exposure to sunlight or the type of feed a hen eats.
We humans have to grow our food, collect it, cook it, chew it, and then eat it. Wouldn't it be wonderful if we could produce food in our body just like the plants do by absorbing sun rays? Well, some animals are actually capable to do this. Let's see how they are doing it in the next video. Take a look.
Imagine we are basking in the sun and our body is producing the food on its own. This means we no longer have to grow food, collect it, clean it, cut it, cook it, chew it, and eat it to gain strength. Well, this is how plants produce food. They utilize water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight and carry out the process of photosynthesis to produce sugars, which is their food. Wouldn't it be great if we can do it too? For your knowledge, plants are not exclusively utilizing the solar energy directly. Some animals have also been harnessing sun rays for various purposes. Aphids use pigments called carotenoids to harvest the sun's energy and make ATP or adenosine triphosphate, which is the energy currency of our cells. The aphids are among the very few animals that can make these pigments for themselves using genes that they stole from fungi. The simplest of animals such as sponges and corals also utilize solar rays for their own metabolism. Corals are animals, but they have algae living in them that use sunlight to make sugar. Scientists also discovered a wasp which has a unique yellow pigment layer containing xanthopterin. This pigment is a light harvesting molecule which is capable of transforming light into electrical energy. Scientists also found that salamanders can also use solar energy. The salamanders lay the eggs in pools of water and the algae colonize them within hours. The algae acts as internal power stations, harnessing solar energy for the developing embryo. Salamanders are vertebrates and they host algae to produce food for themselves. Learning from them, can we humans also host algae, making them produce food for ourselves? Well, scientists are looking for such possibilities, and who knows, This may become possible in future.
For the first time, scientists observed the blue whale's heart rate and they found out something extraordinary. Do watch this report to know about this marvelous creature.
Blue whale, one of the gigantic living creatures on Earth and are the largest animals to have ever existed. These magnificent marine mammals are up to 100 feet long and can be of more than 200 tons. Their tongues alone can weigh as much as an elephant, and their hearts are heavier than a car. For the first time, scientists of Stanford University measured the heart rate of the blue whale, and the results are extreme. The team attached heart rate monitors to one whale. After recording for nearly 9 hours, the team found that the whale's heartbeat was as low as 2 beats per minute as it dived deep. The team used a heart rate monitor similar to one used for humans and attached it to a blue whale using suction cups. They found that the blue whale's resting heartbeat is around 11 beats per minute. For comparison, humans have a resting rate of 60 to 100 beats a minute. Scientists also found that the blue whale's heart works on two extremes, very slow and very fast. There is no in between. The heartbeat is very slow during deep diving, which is 4 to 6 beats, and very fast on the surface, which is 30 to 35 beats per minute, because it takes around 1.8 seconds for each heartbeat. Also, the blue whale was not sprinting during that time. That's its normal routine. This made scientists wonder whether blue whales have hit the largest possible size that an animal can reach.
Time to wrap up this episode of SciTech. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And don't forget to follow us on social media. Before we end, here is a fact of the day for you.
Blue whales, in fact, are the loudest animals on the planet. A jet engine produces sound at 140 decibels. The call of a blue whale reaches 188 decibel. Their language of pulses, groans and moans can be heard by others up to 1600 kilometers away.